In this video, I'm going to show you how to see who edited in Google Sheets. So note that this function is only available to those users that has editor access in the spreadsheet. So to do this, as you can see in the sample spreadsheet, the first thing that you would like to do is to go to the menu and navigate to File. And here on the options, navigate to Version History. And in here, go to See Version History. This will then provide you the complete list of versions that you have created or other users have created for this spreadsheet. This also includes the name of the user that edited the file. As you can see in here, the only person that edited this spreadsheet is me, which is Kervin Bunsua. By doing this, we're able to see who edited the spreadsheet. And that's about it. That's how to see who edited in Google Sheets. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.